colleagues at MOFA, Mali City Council, friends, ladies and gentlemen. India has always been a reliable and historical development partner of the Maldives. History is replete with instances when such assistance has been provided spontaneously to meet emergency needs and challenges. In several cases, such assistance is well planned to assist local institutions in Maldives in their planned programs and activities. India's development cooperation has taken many forms: grassroots projects as well as multi-million dollar infrastructure projects. What we are witnessing today is assistance of relatively small scale, that is MVR 8 million, which is about half a million US dollars, but assistance of high impact to the residents of Mali. Of the 28 high impact community development projects worth about US dollar 12.5 million, which have been taken up in the last 1.5 years, it has been our effort to have a geographical as well as a sectoral dispersal of projects. The grant for Mali City Council is extremely important since Mali hosts about half the national population. Projects here therefore directly benefit about half the Malian population. We are very impressed with the consistent efforts of Mali City Council led by Honorable Mayor Shifa Mohammed to modernize and beautify the city as well as strengthen the civic infrastructure. Our effort is to be a partner in this laudable effort. On February 12th, the first tranche of vehicles and machinery was handed over. Today we complete the handover of all vehicles and machinery, which includes forklifts, dumpers, road rollers, pickups, vibrators, crane lorry, water bowsers, and other vehicles and equipment. It's my hope that this assistance will be put to good use in implementing the development plans of Mali City. I also want to add that this is not our only grant project in Mali. We have successfully completed a project providing 2,000 LED streetlights in Mali and Willingly Islands. We are happy that the whole of Mali City is lit by LED bulbs under this grant from India. In addition to this, about 200,000 LED bulbs have also been provided to contribute to energy saving. These efforts contribute in saving energy, promoting safety of women, and other social benefits. LED lights in Mali City have resulted in about 80% power saving costs while providing 3 times the luminosity. Another grant project Indian government is undertaking is laying of the synthetic track at the Mali Equivini track area. Work is fast in progress and we expect that the project will be completed by mid-November. This will be our contribution to the sports infrastructure of Mali City and in promoting a healthy lifestyle. I thank Ministry of Foreign Affairs, particularly Mr. Abdullah Shahid, for his personal interest and strong support. I thank colleagues at MOFA and the Mali City Council who are all involved in this project. We will continue to associate ourselves with such projects which bring value to the residents of Mali City. Thank you very much.